Hey, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video, I will show you how to create your own thank you page, guys. So, guys, actually, this is a second step after creating your landing page. So, guys, by the way, if you don't know how to create your landing page, then you can check out my previous video where I have shown how to create a landing page, right, guys? So, in this video, I will show you how to create your thank you page, right? So, guys, as you can see that, guys, can you see that? Clickfunnels. Then go to funnel, guys. So here I have already created a landing page, right? So now in that case I will show you how to create your thank you page, right? So you can see that, guys. You can see the preview. In my previous video I created this one, guys, this landing page, right? And now what we will do in that video, I will show you how to create your thank you page, guys, right? So I'm just going to click on thank you. So this is the you can say second step in our funnel, guys. So from here we have to select the template, guys. And guys, I always say, guys, keep it simple, guys. Don't make it too fancy, right? So let me just pick this one, guys. Yep, okay. Let's look the preview. Okay, it's good. It's good. So let's select this one. Select. So can you see that, guys? Edit page. So I'm just going to click on that button, edit, and now I'm on. Yes, it is taking me to editor section of thank you page, guys. Yeah. Now here, guys, just delete everything, guys. We just don't want anything that is confusing, guys, right? Keep it simple. So guys, here what you can do, for example, as I showed you that I'm on my landing page, I'm offering any free training or any free report. So here what I can do, I can just come here and just I can type thanks or congratulations, like congratulations, right? Here you can just type something like for example, I'm just giving free training, so I can say something like your free training is on your way, or you can say your free training has been sent to your inbox, so please check your inbox. Or sometimes, guys, your email address goes into spam box, so always just indicate them that they can also check their spam box. So please check your inbox or spam box within 5 minutes, guys. It's up to you, guys, whatever, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, it's up to you. So yes, by going here you can just change the font, right? And now yes, if you want, you can also change the font or color if you want. Like, let me just, it looks good. And now here one thing, guys, if you want to put like here if you want to offer any affiliate offer, right? So what you can do, guys, you can just put your offer your affiliate offer by putting the link here, your affiliate link. Let me show you how you can do that, guys. Don't worry. So for example, guys, so guys, this is my affiliate link, right? So what I can do, guys, here can you guys set action. So here just go to website and just after putting my affiliate link, hit enter, guys, right? And now here I can just get your feed 14 days. Right, guys. So guys, here what we can do, guys, like we have just redirected them. Hey, just go and check your inbox right within 5 minutes, and where you have sent the free ticket. But guys, it's a good practice that on your thank you page or on your we also call it brief page, right? On your thank you page, you can also offer your affiliate offer by telling them that, hey, before you check your email address, right, before you check your inbox, I have something cool for free, right? Or you can say I have something cool offer for you guys. So here you can offer your affiliate offer. So that you can just come up with your video. In your video you can say this thing, right? Hey, thank you so much for requesting your free training. Within 5 minutes you will be getting your free training in your inbox, right? Hey, before you check your inbox, I have something for you. And in that video you can just tell about your product or affiliate offer that you are promoting, or you can say that how it's gonna help your subscriber, right? Or you can tell about your story, right? That how this affiliate offer that you are promoting, how this offer help you to get the results or to solve your problems, right? So this is a good practice, guys. On your thank you page, promote your affiliate offer, right? By showing the details that how they can get their free offer that they opted for on your landing page, right? And on your thank you page you can offer your affiliate offer, guys, right? And yes, guys, you can also you can also offer bonuses just to stand out from the competition, or just to give extra reason to buy from you. You can say, hey, if you buy this affiliate offer through my link, I will give you bonuses, and you can check the details down below. So yes, you can just like that thing you can say in your video, guys, right? So let I show you guys how you can do that, how you can put your video. So I have created so like for example, I'm just picking this one, guys. Hey, thank you so much for requesting your free training. Within 5 minutes, you will be getting a link to watch your free training. So inside your inbox. This is my video. And check your inbox. Right. Hey, before you check your inbox, I have something for you guys. If you want to learn how to start your online business, we can just consider guys a gear button. Go on product, and if you want to sell someone else's product, YouTube and put the URL. This training is for you. Right. Go and join one challenge. Guys, from my personal experience, I can say that, guys, this is one of the best training that I have gone through in my. And just guys, delete this one, guys. Don't just confuse. Keep it simple. That's it. So yes, guys, below if you want, you can just give the details of your bonuses if you want, right? Like you can offer like any training, right? Any book, right? By saying free book, worth
every trial and every
dollar
error on behalf of you. So whatever he will teach
97
is proven to work, guys. Right? And just
and you can put the image of that book if you want. I'm just showing you the example, guys, right? Perfect thank you page, or you can say perfect landing page. Oh, sorry, perfect bridge page. I just selected this image and add, right? You can see this. So, and I can come up with something else, some other bonuses, right? Like free training on how to promote affiliate offer on Facebook. Worth $197. Right, and yes, again, guys, you can just come up with any image. Pick. I have this one and add that. And yes, you can, if you want, you can just change the size by going here. It's up to you guys. Change the size, right? And yeah, it looks good, guys. And at the last, you can say, and now, for example, guys, you can add as many as bonuses that you want, right? That you want to give, right? And you can say that here is how to get your bonuses. Here are the details, or you can say details on how to get your bonuses. You can just you can say first step. To get free trial, and here you can just put the button. Yep. And this, guys, again, you can just change the color if you want. It's up to you guys, right? So first step, guys, you can just, or you can say something like step 1, right, guys? So click the link below to get a link, or click the button, right. And second step, then you can just say something like step 2, send me your receipt to my email address, that is contact whatever I know.com. Guys, it can be your email address, right? So I'm just don't just copy my email, guys. You can put your email address. Send me your receipt to my email address, that is, and then I will send the details to get your bonuses worth. Guys, it's up to you guys that you can do. For example, it's 497 guys value, right? So I can make it bold, right guys? So this is how guys you create your thank you page, or you can say this is your bridge page guys. So what you did guys, very frankly, again, you just when somebody actually how this works guys, when somebody put his name and email address right on your landing page, then he immediately goes to your thank you page, where you send you show the details how they can get the free training that they opted for, right? And you can after that you can come up with your own video in saying that, hey, thank you so much for subscribing to my free training, and within 5 minutes you will be getting your free training directly into your inbox. Hey, before you go, before you check your inbox, I have something cool for you. uh, Actually, I'm using software that called Clickfunnels, and through Clickfunnels you can create beautiful landing page, thank you page, or you can create any funnels selling your own product, right? You can create website funnel, product launch funnel, webinar funnel, right? This is the, you can say, this is the software that I use, right? And yes, if you use this Clickfunnels software through my link, I will give you my bonuses worth so and so. You can check the details below, right? If you want my bonuses, click the button below and go and create your account with Clickfunnels, right? So this is how you just do that guys, in your on your bridge page or thank you page guys. This is how you promote your affiliate offer. So this is the right way to promote your affiliate offer, giving your bonuses guys, right? So now you know guys, I think I have covered everything guys in this, right? There is nothing to do, and just click save, get it, save, and just if you want you can see the preview guys. Yeah, that's it guys. It looks okay to me guys. That's it, simple guys, very simple. So you are offering one book and one free training, and you are just showing here is the details on how to get your bonus. Step 1, click the button below. If I click on that, right? Okay, I haven't put my affiliate link here. Let me just put that link. Can you see that? Set action. Now I'm just going to put my affiliate link. Okay, no, this is not my affiliate link. I'm just, okay, this is my affiliate link. Yeah, enter guys, always, right? I want open in same window, just you can change it to new window, right? That's it, and save guys. And now see the preview guys. Simple. If somebody clicks, we will be taken to our affiliate offer that we are promoting on our thank you page or bridge page guys. So guys, now you know how to create your thank you page guys, right? And I see you in the next video.